is going to explain how to make a s'more. Go ahead.
We take 2 graham crackers, chocolate, and a marshmallow. Put the chocolate on one of the graham crackers. Put the marshmallow on top of the chocolate, and then flip the other graham cracker on top of the marshmallow, and then push it down.
Except you need to melt the marshmallow first, right?
Oh yeah.
All right, so we're going to take that back off. And you're going to...
Oh, that was wrong.
No, that's okay. So go ahead and put the marshmallow on top of this graham cracker.
Yeah.
All right, let's take this off for a second and put that up in the microwave. No, on the plate. On the plate. No, that's okay. On the plate. Okay, so pick up the plate.
That was just the starting to tell you what you do after.
Okay, so go ahead on up.
Then you microwave.
You're going to microwave. Okay. Very good, love. Okay, so go ahead and close that. All right, let's microwave it for about 10 seconds. So, yeah, time cook. Now, 1-0. Now start. See that circle down there?
Wait, hon.
No, that one. Good. Now watch it, because it's kind of fun to watch the marshmallow blow up in the microwave. Well,
Hi.
you see?
Oh, yes.
Oh, it could blow up a little bit more. All right, let's try it a little bit more. Okay,
So
microwave.
I know what it is.
All right. All right.
Oh, I can't see.
You're watching too,
I
Earth?
see it's getting bigger.
Oh, there it goes.
This is
Kinda
mine.
Yep. Okay, now you take it out. All right.
Oh, it's big.
It's big. Okay, so take it out. And now, carefully.
Hot.
It's hot. And now we're going to close the microwave top. And now, go ahead and turn this upside down, or however you want to do it, so it melts the chocolate and it's sandwiched in between. There you go. And now squeeze it all together.
No, it's good.
Ah, there you go. Could you hold that up so they can see the finished result, the s'more? Nice. Okay, now go ahead and taste your s'more.
Tastes really good.
Great. And that's how you make a s'more.